Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to perform a professional forest cover change analysis in Google Earth Engine, complete with map, legend and bar chart. This analysis is reusable for any area in the world. Just change your area of interest and run the script. This kind of analysis is very useful for environmental monitoring, deforestation studies, and policy making. I will show you step by step how to create this from scratch. Let's head to the Google Earth Engine for the practical demo. So first we define the user input. Here we specify the country, region, and tree cover threshold. This is important because it decided which area we are analyzing and what we define as forest. You can customize the study area and the tree cover threshold. The threshold is the minimum percent of tree cover to consider an area as forest. I use 30%, which is a standard practice. Next, we load our study area. We use the for all administrative boundary dataset and filter it for our selected region and selected country and region. And the map.center object automatically zoom the map to your study area. Now we load the global forest change dataset. This dataset shows forest cover and forest loss from 2000 to 2023. We select the band we need tree cover 2000 and loss for further analysis. Now we create the forest layer for 2000 and remaining forest is 2023. Forest 2000 means forest in 2000. Forest loss means area where forest was lost. Forest after means remaining forest in 2023, and the forest change is between 2000 to 2023. Next, we define the color to make the map look professional. Green for forest and the red for lost forest, gray for non-forest, white is used for the background. So next is add map layer, forest visualization before forest cover 2000, after forest cover 2023, and the forest change map. So next, in the Google Earth Engine, we create a UI panel that include the title, legend, and bar chart all in one place. This create a professional title for the panel. Then we create a legend. This is for map title. This is for map legend. Forest remaining, forest lost, and non-forest. Now the user can easily understand the meaning of each color. Forest remaining color, forest lost, and non-forest. Non-forest for gray, lost for red, and remaining for green. So next we calculate the forest area and percentages to the create a bar chart. Calculate percentage for bar chart. We calculate total area and forest area, then compute the percentage change. So here we will create bar chart inside the legend panel. Last and final, export map. Finally, if you want to save this map, we use this export command. This will save the forest change map as a geotiff to your Google Drive. So our script is ready to use. Now run our script. So here is, you can see clearly in the map, in the map title with area of interest, map legend, green forest remaining. Here is layer. You can check and uncheck the layers. Before forest cover 2000, after cover to 2023, and forest change map in the red color. Here is chart. Forest before in 2000 75.886%, then after 64%, and forest loss between 2023 and 2011%. So next we will change the area of interest. So go right and run the script. Same script, but change the region or district and run the script. You will see our title change. Also table, bar chart, everything change. See Maraba. Next. See the changes. Maximize the map. So friends, that was a complete professional forest cover change analysis in Google Earth Engine. You just need to change your AOI and run the script. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want the script, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.